everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to autofill alpha characters in Excel with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, its fill custom lists also can do you a favor, and you can deal with this task by follows. Uh, Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the insert drop-down list and click the fill custom list feature. In the Fill Custom List dialog box, click the Edit List button to open the Custom List dialog. Then in the popped out Custom List dialog box, click the New List in the Custom List box and then enter the 26 letters one by one, which needed to be separated by comma or enter button as you need into the list entries box. Then click the Add button to add these alphabets to the custom list, and then click the OK button to return to the format dialog box and close the dialog box. And now when you enter letter A into a cell and drag the fill handle, all the alphabets will be filled into the cells, as you can see. Please note that with this fill custom list feature, you can also fill the letters into a range vertically or horizontally as well, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.